Hello, my name is Emma. This is my father. He's a superhero. My mother is a superhero too. A superhero? I don't believe you. Superheroes help people, right? My father is a doctor. He helps people. My mother is a teacher. She helps students learn and grow. That is her superpower. Are your parents superheroes too? Ready to meet more superheroes? This is Jane. Her father is a vet. He helps animals. A vet. My father is a vet. This is Liam. His mother is a pilot. She helps people travel to different places. A pilot. My mother is a pilot. This is Ira. Her father is a builder. He builds houses and schools. A builder. My father is a builder. This is Ihor. His sister is a chef. She cooks food for people. A chef. My sister is a chef. Let's meet some more heroes. A musician. My grandfather is a musician. A hairdresser. My mother is a hairdresser. A soldier. My father is a soldier. A journalist. My mother is a journalist. A farmer. My uncle is a farmer. A dentist. My mother is a dentist. Do you believe me now? Yes, I do. Now I understand. These people are superheroes too. Every profession can be a superpower. They help people every day. Right, every profession has a superpower. My parents are superheroes too. Superheroes often wear masks. Let's guess who our superheroes are. Look at this mystery superhero. Let's guess his superpower. Is he a teacher? No, he isn't. Is he a pilot? No, he isn't. Is he a vet? Yes, he is. He's a vet. Now it's your turn. But first, let's learn how to guess and ask questions. He's a vet. Is he a vet? Look, is jumps to the front. Are they pilots? Yes, they are. They are pilots. Now are jumps to the front. Am I a doctor? Yes, I am. I am a doctor. And am jumps to the front too. In questions am, is, are jump to the front. Am I a doctor? Are they pilots? Is he a vet? Is she a teacher? No, she isn't. She's not a teacher. She's a student. It's me, Emma. I always work hard and try to do my best. When I grow up, I want to be a superhero too. So, Emma is not a teacher. She's a student. When something is not true, we add not after am, is, or are. I'm not a teacher. I'm a student. He's not a doctor. He's a pilot. We are not vets. We are chefs. These sentences are too long. Let's make them shorter. He's not a doctor. He isn't a doctor. We are not vets. We aren't vets. But We don't say I amn't. It sounds strange in English. Usually, we shorten I am to I'm and then add not. I'm not. Every superhero story needs a supervillain. And we have one too. His name is Grammar Breaker. And he has broken the sentences. Can you fix them? Is he a doctor? She is not a teacher. We are not pilots. Am I a vet? They are not builders. Are you chefs? You fixed the sentences and defeated the supervillain. Today we have learned that real superheroes help people every day. We have learned the names of professions: a doctor, a teacher, a vet, a pilot, a builder, a chef, a musician, a hairdresser, a soldier, a journalist, a farmer, a dentist. Now we can ask questions with am, is, and are. Am I a teacher? Is he a vet? Is she a pilot? Is it a robot? Are they pilots? Are we friends? Are you musicians? Remember, am, is, and are always jump to the front. We can use not to say that something is not true. I am not a teacher. I'm not a teacher. He is not a vet. He isn't a vet. They are not pilots. They aren't pilots. And remember, we don't say amn't. We say I'm not. Every profession has a superpower. Subscribe, learn English, and it can become your superpower too.